Hello, it's Denny again. I am here doing some more sewing. I have been wanting to make one of those seatbelt covers for a long time, and I decided, oh, well, let's just do it. I have my two fabrics together, fusible fleece, and I've got this from the Pinterest site for Therm-O-Web. Therm-O-Web. I guess that's what the fusible fleece comes in. But anyway, you can get the directions off the Pinterest page for Therm-O-Web. And it said to leave a 1/2 inch gap at the top. I hope that's going to be enough. So, just like a tote bag or any pot holder or anything else, I'm going to sew just a little here, all the way around, and a little here. And then I'm going to turn it right side out and make some stitching lines on the front, just a couple, and then I'm going to test it out on my seatbelt. Let's see what happens.
There. Now I'm going to turn it inside out and see the form. See it? It is really fun doing this kind of project. It is really easy to make and very useful when I'm wearing my seatbelt. Now, let's continue and see how it turned out.
Time to press. The walking foot on this singer, it's crazy. I mean, I've been sewing it. I sewn all the way around. And then I went to do the 2 lines that the directions had. I don't know if you can tell from my friction pin. But then, look at this craziness. Whenever I use the walking foot on this, I have to watch it so carefully because it does this. What happens is it has the bottom bobbin and you kind of pull the thread through and until it kind of clicks. Well, you know, obviously I've done that since I've sewn around this. Well, sometimes when you're sewing, almost every time, the bobbin comes undone. You have to redo the bobbin. And you don't know unless you continually check on it, which I didn't because it had been sewing. So that's my complaint for the day. Time for the seam ripper. Okay, I'm all done. Still have a glare on my glasses. It had us sew a large piece of Velcro just past the seams here. And this is the inside. Then I went and I was able to sew my lines after my walking foot messed up. And then I went out to my car in the garage and laid it over to see where I need to put the Velcro. And I sewed that on. And I was just thinking, in the winter, it might be nice to do Mickey or some, what's that, fleece, polo fleece type stuff. So, I haven't tried it out yet. I just finished sewing it. The inside of my car is gray, so that's why I went with this Very fun paisley. I still like paisley whether it's in style or not. So that's really cute. I thought it was going to be too small, but it's not. It was really easy, and that was from the Thermo Web website. So I'm anxious to try this. I might have to go to Starbucks later and test it out. So anyway, that was real fun. It was real easy. It's a nice little project to get done and use up some of your small piece of your favorite fabric. Very cool. Well, anyway, that's it for now. Thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers too. It has been so nice. So keep doing it. Remember, it's free. And thumbs up to seatbelt cover. This is going to be so much nicer than that thing always rubbing on my neck. I adjusted the thing up and down, and it doesn't matter. Okay. Well, anyway, y'all have a wonderful day and something fun. Take care.